Any views, thoughts, and opinions expressed by the journalists and guests are solely that of the journalists and guests and do not reflect the views, opinion, policies, or positions of Positive Lifestyle Management.
We did that. We got it. Listen, man. I just want to tell y'all this, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Listen, man, we stronger together, man. I don't care what we do, man. We always got to be together. We stronger together. I don't care what it is. I want to really highlight my sister, Chief. Man, listen. That's true. This is, y'all say, GD, this is the real true growth and development. We couldn't have done this without her, man. Listen, man, I want y'all to understand, people don't want to see this, what we're doing right here, with us dressed in this motherfucking suit and having a good time. People don't want to see this, man. So next year, we got to make this bigger and better. You hear me? Y'all looking good, and I love it, man. I love it. You know what I'm saying? This is motivation. This is true growth and development. And I want y'all, man, I'm proud of y'all, man. I'm happy. And man, listen, we got blue, black, blue, black. I want y'all to, man, listen, man. Y'all should be proud of y'allself, man. You know what I'm saying? No, don't see though. We don't throw the nails up. I ain't got too high on my goddamn horse. I know who's the boss. Late. And I love him. And don't let nobody tell y'all different.
Give me some, Late.
We ain't got to say who it is, but we know who it is. I love him. And I'm the number one fan. So man, we looking good, man. I'm proud of y'all, man. Let's turn this shit up a next notch. We definitely gonna dress up. I look good. I like it. Man, this is exactly how we're supposed to come together and be as a unity.
Chief.
So any motherfucker that's against what we doing, man, they're a problem. So you gotta look at them as the enemy. You know what I'm saying? They're against what we doing here, this unity. And this is a unity, man. Motherfucker against this, man, he's the enemy. The number one thing I want y'all to understand is you got to vote.
Say that loud.
That's our power.
Say it again, folks.
That's our power.
What is our power, G?
We got to vote.
Real nice, you got the power.
Well, I'll tell y'all my story. Y'all might all got a story. Trump freed me. I had 100 years. I had 100 years. Trump freed me. Barack Obama passed the bill, but he didn't pass it where I can get action at it. Trump did. So, my vote, Trump freed me. I know they call him a racist, but Trump freed me. Hey, let me tell y'all something. 98% of blacks is locked up for the crimes I was locked up for. And Trump passed the bill to be retroactive. So I'm saying that to say, if you was such a big racist, 98% of our people was affected by that bill. Was affected by him turning that bill retroactive. It wasn't no whites. So I'm just telling y'all that. I'm just telling you, vote how you want. But I think we all should vote in unity. We're more powerful like that. We're more powerful like that. Don't get caught up in that Republican, that Democratic bullshit. I am a Republican. Wherever they vote for us, that's why I stand there. We have benefited more on Trump policies than any other politician, any other politician. By my opinion, he go in the back rooms to make policies against people that look like us.
Tell him about the 1994 crime bill.
Trump. Oh, you talking about that Biden? Trump. He tell you on national TV that I'm gonna fuck over you if you do such and such and such and such. Biden don't go in the back room and make policies against. I'm not a Democrat, nor am I a Republican. I am a Republican. So whichever that benefits us, that's where I'm going. I had to say that because it's important. It's important for us because we are a power to be reckoned with, and they know that. And I want y'all to understand, wherever your dealings are, there's people among you that's gonna fuck over you if you're doing wrong. They're right among you. So make sure you're doing the right thing. I do want to have one person speak. You come on up. But again, man, our power is in our ability to vote. Our power is in our ability to unite. If we are divided, that's a problem.
Teach.
I don't want to do
Teach.
nothing that divides us.
Teach. Teach.
I don't want to do anything that divides us. I love what I'm looking at now. This is what we're about, bro. And again, I want to applaud our sister Chief. I want to applaud her because y'all don't understand that it takes a lot to do these events. There's a lot of technical things, so we have to give honor to her. Because I understand that, and anybody that understands this business, y'all, to do these things, y'all got to understand it take a lot of work and a lot of accountability. So I want to really give that sister the most respect. It takes a lot. Mr. Baker, right here. I want y'all. This is one of the brothers that from hometown, Atlanta.
I'm from Chicago.
Well, he's up here. He's from Chicago, but he's residing in Atlanta, and he got an event tomorrow. So anybody that's in town, y'all should support it.
What time is it?
How y'all doing? I'm Dr. Mark Baker. First of all, my brother did say I'm a current candidate for United States Congress right now. This is juice, by the way. But no, in real life, tomorrow I do have an event with Q Parker from 112 and Wingo from Jagged Edge. It's going to be an R&B brunch experience. It's a fundraiser for my campaign. I'm running right here in this area. It covers Clayton County, Henry County, Gwinnett, Rockdale, Newton. But I am one of the individuals that was elected, one of the founders of the city of South Fulton. And I had the privilege of passing 3 years ago Larry Hoover in Prison Reform Day in the city of South Fulton.
Get late.
So every year on the 29th of November is Larry Hoover Day.
Yes, I do.
Right here in Georgia. This is the only place I'm running. But I'm running also because I've had the opportunity to pass a lot of progressive legislation to help us. When Crush was talking about voting, It don't matter who you vote for, just vote. Make sure that we doing something. Because I'm gonna ask a quick question. How many of y'all know somebody that's actually been convicted? Just raise your hand. All right. That's not even.
Hell,
So
I've
what
been
I'm saying
convicted.
is, how many of y'all think that they were judged by a jury of their peers? Raise your hand.
No.
No hands up, because they were not judged by a jury of their peers. You know why they were not judged by a jury of their peers? Because we don't go to jury duty, right? We're not in jury duty because we're not even registered to vote. You get called once you register to vote to end up going to jury duty. So it's important that we stop looking those little note cards off so we can be there so our people can be judged by a jury of their peers. I had the opportunity as an elected official to decriminalize marijuana in Georgia, to ban the box for convicted felons on those job applications, to write the first reparations legislation in the entire state of Georgia, to actually end no-knock warrants. I grew up on the west side of Chicago, right up the street from where Fred Hampton was assassinated in his bed. And I had the privilege of actually ending no-knock warrants. And I'm the only individual in the entire state of Georgia to pass that piece of legislation. So it's important that y'all get out, that y'all make a difference and vote. I'm in District 13. If anybody want to follow, I'm at Councilman Mark on Instagram. I need volunteers. I need people to step up. I need to hit the street. I need to hit the doors. We got to hit all 6 of those counties. Again, Councilman Mark on Instagram. Let's make it happen.
So, here he is. We can't say we didn't have an opportunity. He gave it to y'all straight. So, Georgia, he's running for congressman. Let's make a difference. Let's show our voice. Let's show our vote. Let's do the right thing, Georgia. I'm talking to Georgia. Let's do it. And I'm really talking all across the country, man. Man, we are truly a power to be reckoned with. Don't let nobody else fool you, man. When we stand together, man, there ain't nothing they can do when we stand together. When we put our power in one direction, when we put that power in one direction and move on it, ain't nothing we can't do. But when we allow somebody to divide us, then we can't do nothing.
Teach.
Let's stand together, brother. Don't let nobody divide us, man.
Nobody divided.
I am a student of our honorable one. And forever will be. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. There'll never be another him. Don't let nobody tell you anything different. There'll never be another him. I hear what they're saying, but that ain't true. There'll never be another him. I love him. That's right. It ain't Larry Bernard, but that ain't his name. But I want y'all to understand, man, I'm for him, and I will always be for him, and nobody can fit in his shoes, even after his passing. Nobody. I don't give a fuck who they is. And I'm one of his Lord and servants. Love y'all, man.
Love, folks.